Eje n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi umuruburi kubwatya nabo kurigirirwa na kiro muntu.
Byakigima mwanchi umulyelia witaseni gensoko nebiro bindi nande tokomerana asomoro bulyo bikyage kyumusi asokomerana nabawusi abo bale siko yorongoro busi linde batumanye ngakibako enyorera enyere yabo yakelit ko mwanchi umulyelia ko kwali ni bene elinde tosanga asobwamo ochaka bono iga weka omwelyo nyora yonsi nabuku yabwate abwitira sensemeri mitandao asensemo ya Facebook nabo igo YouTube wetera Ensoko TV karanza oike elinde tusange asoba mwilitrene kerubo Frida tangongere libagali ya bene kwalgania omugeni tubuli tukulia lero atumanye na kyakorwa na indega iga ngaitole karibu sana.
Asante.
Nabo kumanye mwanchi muligerelia na kyokorwa
asamali tangoro kwa Cornelius omwenga Ega story akoro kuangaza Empowerment Training Center, a technical training center. Para mwana youth empowerment, para just training of technical courses. Na bado konya wanafunzi wetu kwa link ni opportunity. Ese mucho Nairobi.
Okay. Yakinu wanchi mulie na wara kuminga iga Cornelius sangaza ngia kwa Nairobi kwegilia bana.
Okay. Angaza nchende na umochaki use director. Inje na charity organization and inje director sikilisi. Yoma director osomo chaki organization ya Angaza.
Kirkinda Angaza ya beiri ya sobo karibia sika kingana nanaki.
Wani game yake ene. Ya tokole ni yake kwa charity.
Okay. Cornelius bona ariga sensemo ya Angaza ntumeti Angaza ngayere gosinya nabo kumanye mwanchi omurigerere.
Okay. Tore Nairobi County as a Roysam sub-county as a wadi kuru Kawa West. Kawa West wana tore una mpaka Kiambu County na Nairobi County. Lakini tore register as a county ya Nairobi. Along bypass ego northern bypass. Yeah. As a building ego kuna GM Plaza.
Okay.
Yeah.
Karibu sana. Mwanchi mulie naga nitikumanyanga ngayibwa chakirite ngayoki merete ngayokorwa sorbo ngorwa busi weka ogacha wikase county ya Nairobi.
Okay. Ngoro ase Nyamira County. Constituency ego Kitutu Masaba. Ward ego Gachiba ward. Village ego Bosiango Osibonyonyo. Igabu naona kinerete na somete school ye primary ko Bonyonyo primary school ngachanga some secondary eko ku Gekano boys high school. Then I later did my course baadaye several courses from baadaye as a organization as a college very sad because na college course more than yeah. Okay.
Mwanchi mulie naga nitikumanyanga ekero kwali ukino bwana bwabo kirkenda sama tukabo siko bwato basemelia nga ngikiryo tete koba.
Okay, ekena renge ukina na tete koba sama omuntu okoiga sia sebeki usebanga nekena kote high school nakina chitenga somera nakora banking baadaye ngachanga advance na ngakora accounting. So kuna karengo mwana na wateta mageta na ngora una abantu bakorega sase banga the smartest people. The environment ya very decent. So nilikuwa natamani sana kwa banka. Na nina kile kinachitenga somera school. lakini wani atijibu.
Ikirindie ndoto yawe yo gusoma ndetse ngo arachite asebe ukarakore mirimo
nakorete school kwanza nagakora my attachment nakoreta attachment ase esako ikoro kunyango pharmacy sako ngakora ngacha Nairobi nkanyorega una short term contract ase organization ko the Kenya Bankers Sacco ine bank lakini iko esako iko deal na bankers for a short like mwako alafu nikaenda nande asako kuna Apex Investment Bank gari Westlands bado ngakorega so mwako then nika exit industry
okay kiragende kirakwara okorega siga bwase kwate biri kuruma gagabo ngaki experience kyawe kyalenge maybe
okay ega senyene because nero mata kitoka so mabwana wenzi na I was enjoying my colleagues no ase eshida ego cha yatoka no konyolega as permanent because she baggage she got a lot of interest actually to what they got father toka no guys and she wanna to got father that's when I'm going to contract to say gas nero the kid montacha konyi na chana kora e kia kwera we cannot proceed toka no gas permanent na do na understand so the main challenge yalinguna konyolega say permanent lakini experience kigas is what I expected to do ndio nilikuwa natarajia kwa mwana wenzima I need to do this now gawa soko konyolega permanent na yekizo
kiragende kirakwa tebetia Bible babo na chibana ngukole school ga course nere yigampoira ngakibaire tekerengere lekyo
they were okay with it. They were very supportive because one little college was school fees and got a diploma in banking. Imantara cha Nairobi cha comment masomo kidogo. So they were nasomete Kisumu. Nasomete Kisumu na kote diploma yani. Alafu kana kote ngacha kusinga mwenye cha Nairobi. So they were supportive. Lakini wana okay ikagari sote kile godfather they were not of help. Because maybe ba watu ndio is supportive ile nyore. Guys.
Kirikinde ikigakingana nikikuirito kamenya bicha konyore mirimo kero gwakore kuri college. Na korete college mwaka 2012 kana korete egasi ina korete ndangani hiyo the na korete around 2015 2016 igavu alafu ona hiyo ningacha kora around 2018 2019 so aitama dini yake yote mingi ya wonye tano na ngaliwa saya na ngatama kimakani toto kama yoso saya andi kekende chinga kichukwa gutama kingi makyo takweta moyo ndo gateba ya etika ndi yanga.
Okay, I was very passionate with Kerimo Minyore guys. Actually kana nguri guys. Na wate notebook ne karamu. Na ngiko andas na drop receive. Na likansi. Na ligitange chi organization 50. Tina drop receive yane. Circles, banks, anything to do with banking, finance, accounting and nini. So I was very determined because that is where my passion was. So narengo kumoyo taranya lege ndoke.
Okay, wana wachire kwanyolire mirimo. Kirikendo ne nyoro musharo bo mutanganire kiuringe kero kwayo eto ngakikoigwete.
Okay. Because it's after umushahara hii na step paka ngaliye nyumba yane kanyo nyumba nkanganya chaka kwa many previous inarenga accommodate na my brother so at least nkonya ngachaka bana kumanya ngetenenera so it was such an amazing experience because for obwate mwago akora ibintu byago obwate freedom yago at least I was no longer accommodated na my brother yani so it was a good experience as much as mushara tori ndio byago lakini nkonya tenga chaka kuitenenera bono independent so mucho Nairobi.
Okay, wana tukira se a contract yawe yaelire mbara oroki dalili ndio nsiyo korinyo aronga ki kero kwale kunyara ni se chose kero kunyara ngabona kwa hivyo nsiyo ina contract yawe yaelire na kikwale kwa hivyo
actually a contract ne ya ne ntangane kire ya leta igare se na ngo kore ga sakuru Kenya Bankers ntware ngawa ya unanko kama tena you are doing egasi you temporarily to call sometime to be approved permanently dit kerimo Friday maragoba twarenge batatu tukarangirwa so CHR akatayuna we are no longer going to continue working with you. We are going to terminate your contract today. Maragoba ikakatona ngandole gasira na Monday. It was the darkest moment because tumetina naso gochake. Osho no kaito na nole gas Monday ngoira nole gotebi gochake Monday to ira na gochaka. To what the option. Ngwe bange. And psychologically going prepared. It is an experiencing moment. Very challenging. Experience very challenging. It's very feel some darkness because you also understand so chakiranga. Because nkabata matumaini gose nkanyolande gasiga nyakonya. Which one want to be told? Kwa very confused.
Okay. Bueno, ngayigo ikirta wane kerengeri kigacha so chaki school ye.
Okay, bueno. Ekere my second contract here erete. Nkaira na nyumba endugu yane kangalo kimumuragete okonya abantu kuri gichigasi abantu masegete within instance gabo segete shujamu ngaya ntebuna nyende ndore manager then was in your gas. So what was in my mind I could gas ya finance nyende ndore gas ro cashier so accountant ngaikanga nyore manager agantebuna gas to watega they will wait. So you can try to go get your code. To go na no go not tema Sunday. Ngake sa una mangana renga makong. Yo batingwa tinda kana rent tingwa tinda gero ngamutemiti anteme. As much as na kong yarangi because the team mangana ndagera yego timete mangana vinyoji interviews. Ngamate na wangotem. So bagan train. It was experience igana chagete bagan train. Arafu bakanyegas. They were very supportive. Almost what you she was very supportive. But the one training one maroki kile yantene kile maroki different drinks, different foods and like you go serve within 2 weeks. Ngachaka kubwata ngasoa gase. Ngakole gase for quite some time. Kabisa. Na nikaruga nkaenda saya mara gatatu. Kabo mwenyeji ono industry hospitality as much as intasoma already. Ngajaga kurealize una negasi gotoka because so china korte gasi satangani ekaira nengaswa sande na dekaira nengaswa sande without a godfather. So ngatoa some experience ngachangaroro nganyora gasi ase institution bine ngakore gasi no muntu automuga ngachangakore gasi the front office kidogo ngachangabea admin. So combine the experience ngarona ki okara hospitality industry na kiere na kero korane college na kiere. When I was working in that college ngarinka bana babiri bagato kyochina korere gas bado musani ule manager sekete nkamulink bona ngachangalia rezuna so combine the two experiences so chimbate a good network as hospitality industry because na korere gas for quite some time kama 4 years. Combine na operani school gap na lochine ribuna ba train wanafunzi ba kwa mnaandika katika vile gabo lakini changarabuna na ba train ya wanafunzi na bado mbakonye olega sasa industry hospitality. So ngachaka kongere na King College Capital yo chake institution.
Yangu traira damhega keigo wachire egasiarere korwase banka wachire kwa tebiri guna hugo train kwa be waiter nakikuwa connected na ndo kaendo gachikoba sense mo ya management ya Admin College. So
egasi hospitality it ends okora magaska kutoka makego ya mara nini gochire short egasi ya so kana kwa 3 times the third job ekere ya erete opportunity jare ngo gap ekase college mbatete muntu raisi kuwatela konye. So nachitu kuriega sindi hospital so nazo za college straight yana karate gas bakara mkebu bakameke admin. So I had no need your contest kutro si nandega mo kona nga triste ecos inaso my area was bring some of the techniques gabo ko corrective fees ko receipt ko correct sub na nini ngara is related to what yana kirinaso my. So I had no need your kona ko inandega hospital because after all nega sintaso my.
So ugakora gikara kingana na kia college
tutebe kuru emyaka around emyaka 2 3
ukamenya bono what it entails
ukamenya what it entails gutwara college ngiyetakire mani college college ngiyetakire ko college matem na kio kora abana bakora matem ya government because I used to go to mo yendo register wanafunzi yendo kwa yendo gete kama kile yendo na kio koro so ngatwara idea una no ngise ko implement idea na bongo kora and I can even do it better.
Okay. Kero kinde ku kero watete no ni familia au ngabona matete ko chake college yagayo munye se training center munye ne kibeire tegetambu kereke metese ko nyarenga ke yuko abere that stable.
Okay, one not with my parents in the chake college because they could not believe because maybe ma tuno chake college the sources chininge chininge na nini na wata bitkende yons na achite ngachaka kwanza kera na chakete na ina aleta bono my dad ngamoreta tubaka office
kero yara bwate
kero ya kwa na chuma za kwa temba kwa mini uma ete na ntete chake college ba ko bringa ku chibese na kira kwa nini so I just started fast ngaran ngatora wanafunzi kwa nyambara cha Diego wake bono sometime ngachangaleta my dad nditone court aset ngachanga materono kwa ofisiane no institution in there yeah
na key reaction
he was so excited at least akaona can be able to do something yes akataka mbori yao dry start na nini na materono akataka ya na tuikega then tukakora ngamoreta ngamoroki our first graduation ceremony bado ngamoinvite as a guest so we get the believed like this is something that I can do.
People identified a location here, maybe.
Okay, I used to go to Taga for some time. One, I was a high population, my youth were abandoned, and by then, there was no any registered institution around their side. We only have one government institution, which Natali Ayakeo. So Nikarauna, aside and I say, abantu n'abangi definitely bakuruga baenda town Korea college baenda kushika 45 or 70 road so ngara we can tokoweka set up iga na kutoka serve the community around because it's like the services were not available by then. Yeah.
Okay. Umwanchumuliye nagani kumanyana kero kende ya sangaza kero kende mukorera kibuli kimukoro.
Okay, so sangaza one, to train which course chama wako shuka. Reason being, kulingana na experience kile to wate onega, kisina which course wanafunzi kile watu wengi mmoja na watu na leo nitaka so rahisi. So to train which course choose kene na hair dressing na beauty na hospitality. By that, hair dressing, beauty therapy, food production, food service, you also waitress of na food production no chef alafu baking and pastry alafu skizinto what I course so training iko barista na mixology so kiatoka kwa training bagukora to ya attachment bakora attachment pote no kwa connect no baba observe just chote hicho bakora gas also chi spas chi salon na nini yeah.
Okay ekero kwa reko mpokora research ya wamede ikitaka kutoka consider say building ikera ndisha na ndere amena kwa.
Okay, number one, education, because an institution of learning needs the environment to conducive. So it's a kind of so estate mali. Number one, even the air is not good. The any circulation of air because I want to venture in the town. I can't monta kuri asabu nte wocha so I went on the last straight even the licensing authority about the car can collocate your college kwa ibe sare visible na sare are accessible as a can use kirato ke monta be access na se na ko monte map o chona na school located there sare so we thought this is the most conducive environment around this area.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nchimulia na manganga nitikumenya in terms of unagua process eti nakigua project mwanafunzi mutangani nakikuarigitia wanafunzi makabakagacha ichiro meterende koni gente kegeni ngerira isi maybe strategy kichiri kwa bete kubika kolende ndetora gweteraga gutraswa mutima kumukega tokoina ndusanga mange biamono sana nchimulia weta sene gensoko nikotogendete usanga imiyo murubiri gwikyage cy'umugusi astogendete usanga n'umuchaki w'eskuru yamaigiri ya Angaza Cornelius Omwinga kura siense mechige cheka weskurene yatraswa mutima kumukega tuskatonyegera ngwira turasege kege kerusio elinde tosange amange.
Eye Nensoko TV Uboroso bw'umugusi.
Chigosori inegatibo bundi obwo bwanchire na gotono mono nsengima nabono nigona yira mbarato asena bakuba kingo kwigekera emegano y'abanyangongo au kure bituna abyagusi abwo obachire nkuma ase chigosori au egati yabo chinchire chaba munyoko amone bisero obyenkoyo ego ikachingongo au chinse imeyo muroberio ogwenda basi y'abanyangongo emegane yonse nigora enyore aiga imegeteseni kyao kyabene Egensoko TV oboroso ogwo mogusi na nche Daniel Omwaga na botambe nigo bagontona Erieta Suarez.
Kanisa la Instant Miracle Gospel Ministry Kemera chini ya Nabii John Okelo linakualika katika ibada ya kila siku ya Jumapili kuanzia saa 4 asubuhi. Njoo ukutane na muujiza wako na uelezwe matatizo yanayokukumba.
Kama unataka kuishi, acha pombe. Utawekewa sumu kwa pombe. Nilizopo kwa malezi wake. Andrea sababu dia tiji. Kuna wakati ndio mgango kachanjo. Mama, ukiwa na mtoto wako hukuenda kwa mganga.
Tazama ibada zetu kila siku ya Jumapili saa 2 jioni ili ushuhudie makuu ambayo Mungu anakusudia kukutendea maishani mwako. Hayo yote ni ndani ya Ensoko TV. Kwa maelezo zaidi tutembelee katika kanisa letu linalopatikana mita 100 kutoka mji wa Kemera, barabara ya Tombe Kemera, au tupigie simu kupitia nambari 0706003908. Nyote mwakaribishwa. Obulimira bw'essiro y'obunda bwense kolere tali nchira ndio sura krobulimi obiyoke enyore libaga lya bene kwaegwa migirio chisemi nobosemya igrio obulimi bwekerero nechikolinga
asobolimi bochete skuru nobotigi bokumerwa mate
tebone ng'ombe bune yengiya
gale konyana eyisimegete ntera ngetia maraba ekonete konya kukina yo kamaraba konya kuyana nganya we kwa mabuya
beka chibuti imokyo bokombe to semogondo bweli nebisumwime na Pathwell Machine
kile sukuri ya Jumaine chinsa ni bere chamuragoba weka chinsa isato asomoro bere oberemi nobotugi ekero turesemia mange kura saberemi chini gongoro kwa Pathwell Machine
asomoro buri bubori mino butugi ime Yensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi. Mrena n'abari b'ekinguru erikwe manyabona wataka kurukitananya cyense Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Linet Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke nakige kos kiamesa yamangana maya.
Korwa igaiga asamaga choje bungenene amaneria Senate umwancho murgeri Yensoko TV ntabe tokoretera amangana magia buna neto wateka kurwa gaiga miyobo katakati ubumuchi o Nairobi igoika igabo sore nchenkuru kwa Daniel Omwaga ni Yensoko TV oboroso womugusi.
Kurumucho mano Nairobi, Kisii, Nyamira n'ekingongo kindi cyense ya Kenya abariki baitomba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira y'obwikirano emanyamange nabo igobwatira n'Yensoko TV koigeka chingenjo cy'omugusi. Yensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi.
Mwanchumo ligareria Yensoko TV oboroso obomugusi inche Clinton Ondigi asenchera ya bene ngokwarigania na gukumanya bunano chiko bagukomerana na inche asemesa ya mayako Yensoko litukoria Jumaine litukoria Alhamisi na bwego litukoria Jumamosi ensemo nechinsa isatu chabotuko elio nchiko komanya mangana mayabu na nyara kubaga kuateka kurwa se chinsemo au rogongorwa gusi county ya Kisii, county ya Nyamira, wikase county ya Nairobi na bwego chi county chonsi emirongene na isano na ibere. Yensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi.
Enibo nero ekogendia obonda bwense nakige kogera inche buna Frida Kerubo naimokire egetambukiro na kongaria ase chichiro kwaene kebuna ngokomanyinde na kiuchumi ya Kenya egokina naki amagori ebintu ale naboigo merobelikiria serikali yabekire kwaene kebuna uchumi ngogendererere umerana na inchekera litukoria Jumatano ensemo naboigo chinsa isato chamagoba asitorabe to wesemia amange. Mwanchi murigereria ntobe togwikirana anse chichiro asito kumurekera ngaki ebimeri bikorwa ase megondo nabo igo kugwikira aye omwanchi omurigereria ntobe tokurigereria amagori yebimeri buna chinyanya amatoke amarabuani nebinde ebinge igoto skatanyegera gende agotengera egetaseni ya Yensoko TV obona buboroso obomugusi Eliane Kerubo Frida.
Yokubwatira n'abantu bayitaba y'abari kwasisi America Medical Mission Foundation also to make sure bakire ase county to kurwari abantu bayito
Boroberio bobo bari bwabo sasa nyagitari ya Nyamira goika omwerio
and farmers who have done very well will remain on the international scale to get their best prices for their coffee for the rest of the year.
No mweso asabarimi bekemeri yekawa ekere serikali ya chakire meroberio yokobarigeria chiro chinse chesko na omoseneta bwe county ya Nyamira hokongo omogeni omochiro bokurumia ase county yae
Eye Yensoko TV Oboroso bw'omugusi.
yakegima mwanchi mulieli abigita sene gensoko nandengo kwarigania ase ntunda ya kabere chinga kitogenete gusanga ime y'umurubiri w'ikiage cy'umubusi mwanchi muri akanyara ndaraswa aso umutima kumukego nabango boli mugeni to ligori kurende hoterane lyale ase gekekekere wasenyora yonsi abuko yabwatia wetera sensemo y'emitandao asensemo ya Facebook na boigo YouTube wetera Ensoko TV kurende mwariga ningo atomanye ngakekera igorete skure ngakia chagete koyagacha mbinto kibiri yagorete bitangani nabo igumete koni genteke geni ngakia beteka konyoru mwanafunzi umutangani karibu sana nainde.
Asante.
Okay, manyingo mwanchi muri elanga ono wakore research yawo wachire kwanyorire nyumba kero kende mbinto kibiri kwaratanganite kubora.
Okay, so after twanyorire nyumba tukarase logishinira idili ase biashara hivi twachaka ko develop mate bana chikosi state workshops twachaka ko develop workshop ya hairdressing na beauty chikosi bintu ya hairdressing na beauty na uko access ya ande develop kwa to set up the class complete tukanyoro musabati kitoyo kwa tuwe somi para manage chitu tukamuleta ngamatavira admission number 20 lakini ndio admission number 1 kama ngamata number 1 akala nele bia kwa school akasoi class enyo leo no gabu wa ile nyumba ya banyene kwa yakire chira kwa ile equipment you are supposed to work on rent no what staff you supposed to work on staff so mwanafunzi yeye akakana course toka ni course is up to on a monthly basis to accommodate ya mantaba anje akakana fees yo mutenye mutangana yeta kwa rekende na lazima asome lakini sana leo kolegas igari ngare kwa ile Eastern Kayone umegore nalo yo monga minutes sa mwanafunzi wako na kusoma ile ventangani ali supposed to ile ya kabiri akamboli ngamoteje na ndiko ngamaroge sana nganyete because I think angaminate sana ngana ngo shugi gromo school yone kandeya sana chiete na karage na kale to no support so ono megori yo mongwana sana akule semo ya western akante yo school yone ago ocha pido moreta kile ritko so mo efe ago ocha kile ritko akante mo school akamwaka na school fees years
Ekosi
yanko ira 6 months akakana fees yons with star na akakana maten na kiregent so akakana shida segete si Antonio ko survive then kurugabu tukana komento mwanafunzi yonde in the process to develop a workshop ya food production yo chef na ndio tukana alega mwanafunzi baberega organization ya ngega yanguria se rice ko beka abana basome anye bagutara baike school kabaganganye abaleka so tukashaka kabuyo wanu wanafunzi akala nkigega umuntu takachaka sugo sinetu kiyoro school nega alafu bado ngaenda ngachaka kora tu marketing kanyaromo mongwana geto mosasroti ese kansere mega ya Catholic kwanza ngamata ya chata siseri school kila chitaka mmoja ya wanafunzi wale mtembo na toa chaka pale lakini inteteri wakalende ngone na wa Kristo modern kwa akangari wale kanisa yu main parish ni subcenter chia ibele wote main parish meraga alafu subcenter ile gari maiga sako kusoweto ni mape wale sako kumarengeta so akangari bagangenda kwa na akanga 3 minutes every service 3 minutes ndio kwa na wa Kristo kwa ni ABCD tukabachifaya at least gato kwa tukamoja kana iga alafu wana kachaka kwa tu sana viongozi ya dini kanisa kwa na mama pastor na matete kwa na watu na kuita hapa tukachaka igabona wanafunzi wakaendelea wote.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kero kuri ile kwa bite school yega reception for us community na kiuko yerete.
Number one, the fact that tuaiteleta kanisa, the reception was good because pia omo priest or nachitega akasizini school akara we have what it takes like na twaliba matakelo mondo wana chiro simore gotera kanisa na tusiza go believe the reception was good. Alafu one the results wanafunzi watoto kitana waro elva quality. We have never had any negative reception from the society or the community around. Njaya kawaida.
Okay. Kwa vile wewe konyora bona wanafunzi ekero nimetekero obo set up a business no wegete duration ya baenga kigete abo konyora nga ya chakire kuongera nirie faida gete metia kikakingana na kikwa kolito kama cha konyora faida.
Okay. The first 1 year was staff. Staff akana na here and there, but from the second year at least in as much new school now what I determine exactly the profit you make because every time you always feel to expand because after even in the process of expanding again very tough. At least now sometimes you go up or sometimes you walk around missionary or sometimes you think about it. Like 1 year we are in business, we're living in business as usual. Only the first year we are a bit tough.
Okay, ekero kuligereria process rendo kwanyara maybe a license kurase serikali ase nsemo ya ngaki yako verete. Was it a long process ama challenges nchiro rogwa etertegati yako?
Okay, kwanza licensing ni kwa very tricky because number one, you need to be licensed by the examining bodies as a center to do examinations. Number two, the what a regulator is called a cultivator. So you have to come up with choose the examination later, whichever and deliver your school, what it takes. And bado, or make sure you are also licensed to be a regulator, a cultivator. I can't say it's challenging because I had the experience of what is needed to get a career.
Yeah.
So challenging, but they are tough. As much as I can, sometimes on about the mental so it took us some time. Una process registration ya a college in activator. The process is to akaleta mwako muhimu because unataka ile tu wale basic requirements upload online approve commercial kama inspection kwanza ndo comply na city county ya Nairobi watu wale lease agreement school to school na siko wakani guarantee mutinyo yao lazima tu wale lease ya more than 6 years so also it's tough convince umuntu lease ya nyumba umenikora na under say county government for business registration certificates health compliance na nini watu wale kile gento umenikora ujiweka so mtandao baka convinced now you have everything you are not for inspection so the process is tough but it is just a smooth process.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ekero kuligereria ntirigwa wale bakora a setup metie kwa rigeti staff members kwanza waliga chakorua maigiri gochia sabana kama kulia wanafunzi hao wazito
asana lenga kwa gasi mungu anaweka na roto na miskoyo no kulenga intern kwa internship utawa sasa kwa kadoro akaji akama na secretary na kaleta mosikoso mlete computer no mwalimu computer then no mwalimu oyo mlete uchaga school wale mitumu ana la chakea no mwanafunzi aje na kio kama tena so na chakete ne staff watu mwalimu ndio wasomi secretary no mwalimu wasomi computer mwalimu wasomi dressing and beauty na ninga changa ndio mwalimu wasomi ama na yokuruga so ngachanga na wao because wana wocha ka reset lakini wana wa itega so part time basis wocha so okay that because I was not able to work na very full time yeah
but now ngaki progress ile kwa accommodate kila mtu
no one got about staff ya banta bange on full time basis alafu mbalo wake around part time one we have full time tutors because for the government to give you a center that's more to abantu very qualified and they were employed on full time basis because it's a key of now on from start ya course kwa services one to what enough staff to what close to 10 of which around 5 were permanent and one on part time basis.
Okay.
Because for services ngake pia wanafunzi na kwa
na muko resero mwanchu muri ya kirikende mero kiri kwa begete kwa na kinga enamba ya wanafunzi ngukinera seskore.
Okay, number 1 quality services. Quality services 100%. Digero mwegori arauna rikango iro mwanafunzi yale na ndabandi ya house because abanafunzi bato produce abantu bakora ibintu byarekana none muntu kumenya kitu digero muntu akagana kumenya tugiye to uri ngo asomete muntu to are interest kwa to mwana so our services to ensure na very quality and genuine. That is why even to watch it through the process of registration digero mwegori abarito mwana wanyona kama the school register in the government. Number 2 to vile to kufanya wanafunzi wetu kufanya regas kiki so ni kazi ni hasa wewe ukiaga ama tuna kwa tuma wanafunzi ama kana school fees gakuru school taikole na ndio bachi kwa mchana na tuna kuruga at least na wana bega mtapiga kwa aitenenele. Those are the two things each other really ba trust the school to sana
abibuli ngo nyarore babuchi batwara kitamatanga kerkenda abibuli wali bakorware akegeragana kwenda ng'abanafunzi babo mbaro bakorwara utora babe kitamatanga about safety y'abana babo timetimero birikiri kwa bekire especially ase school kiga kikurwa magira kiko kwa kwane k'abana n'abachagaiga hari gucigosira yego kabanyora amagire mpaka bakurire ekosire barentetenga.
Okay, kwanza nitapata sawa wanafunzi wetu wakomanya na ndio we ensure that na sare secure number 1 ase ekera bamenye toro montago cha kuruska soro aneska wate nekto liva galio baso so well secured number 1 number 2 aso mwanafunzi atayo tumekefa bagutara kuruga kideka ibe kurose nyumba bakaga so ndo wate mwana abaiseka abange bamenta matega bagucha bata baso class baso bora na nyumba rafu wantu bato muntu ora signed kurigire na kibamanyata progress yabo rafu wana ndiga baso muntu bato muntu kurigire ichinyombe ichi so to ensure una there is no activity and threat tadi genuine yego kilo muntu na ari mwae kilo muntu na so mwae so we ensure na as building is secured rafu muntu bata bantu bakubarigire.
Okay, discipline ngo bereki ase every organization nyarole maybe abanambara barasoye ko sibande batigere nzira temedia sense yao yara happen
sikosi chito ngete wakati kwa ile ni baba este yetu achile college gari watu ko finira maisha finira este yetu na college yo ndio bibia sikuizi chikosi choka beka chikosi ya na bao somo wa enjoy. Number 1 because ile 90% practical theory 10% practical ino kare to monto amorosi mwalimu arare kwa manyire karosi again sukwegera kwa sindagira gete mwendagira imara gukora karosi no kuri yogonye ubeki chikiaki no chikosi chine enta wanafunzi wako wa enjoy teka na watu msukumoni alafu na they are short so we don't have cases so drop to minimum sana na abantu basquizi abajijenzi turiko barakisha okuba konera biyako make sure bari comfortable kwa unu kibataete ono squeeze to finya ba teenagers mbere ba site go finya maono okuba tegera ko unu kibataete kwa bategera kunyarika ntoriko ba punish so to go suspend ko school store ko ile ndio no au no para magoso como instance como te digo que va a partir de la que like bisho kwa gana by doing that wakana una bao ko igumono ko una ko muchacha ko kama chiko kita ko wapi ba resistant.
Okay. Best moments cha ora inyora se esabali eyiga yabonchire cheche.
Number one, the first best moment nakile to establish it school here. Ngatanga bano inatwalire obisiana asangoka form. Then when you do a graduation, because amatunda kwa amatunda no kwa tumono amachaki school okori ba graduate. Those are some of the best moments of our career and doing something, because kama last time we had a graduation ya wanafunzi close to 150 students. So kana rano jaribu kusanzia abantu wengine 500 ya students. Wanafunzi abaigori chipano chao na nini. Very good. Then we also have quite a number of students. Chio terinjiro ngwana naragira ntari waka. Kara sengi choka na mwanafunzi so ko rega sigabu no wisanse ko wodege ndo kushita ko waka no batena mchembo waka. So you see okara matunda igasi yawa. Yeah, it feels good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Trigolingo worst moment.
Worst moment. Akira what school. Waka na bills. And to what is care wanafunzi mbaracho. Correct.
Yeah.
So go to our staffs. Sometimes we go to kumagana because wanafunzi nao yao. Tayo wakana vese. Usibabele usibatu. Nataka wakana rent. Wakana wafanyikazi. Wakana sometimes my first team actually they abandoned me because there is no future.
Yeah.
I think those are some of the worst moments. Now you can't cater financially for what you're supposed to cater for.
Yanyo itira okanye to montache gasi. Wakati
tarigocha. Tabuga tifea. Usitingo chaga kwa nyumba ya naye asiki. Because one of you are supposed to pay them. You go back to your pocket. Your pocket may be empty because you are a chance for investing. One you are expecting no charge koro chiwes one to work. And that's more make sure operations agenda. So it is I think the most tricky moment. Yeah.
Okay. Challenges kwa bere ko gutera maybe ase gasi agwa bere ko kora kurmaiga osege gasi skuru iga kwa set up mbaka kere yekiri.
Okay. Challenges kwanza in life na iterimono. It took me a lot of time to Noregas after school. It's a big challenge because orojo kwa rure gusi na rete gusi yo mwaka or 2013 the school echagete around 2022 umanya wana between 2013 mpaka 22 I've been hustling ndaba take specific ngora neje gasina kore chikotoka chienda. So being jobless kwa rure gusi ya ngombe Nairobi lakini ndio kwa kiama na vile uweze kujikimu, maybe you are being hosted. Some of the challenges. As for any school, people expect a lot from you. Kwa hiyo tukiwa unamwona kwa lete mwana, akore tu mwana kutia. Mwana akatoa magosa and in between na I will blame. So you have to take up the responsibility. Only kimwata wanafunzi 50. No, I'm a father of 50. Because kwa hiyo wewe usi wakana the fees ba kutia bana. Kwa hiyo mwana kwa mistake you are responsible. Kwa hiyo mpaka na mwana gasigete tekere mu mwanafunzi yagasia. Akore school ngamwire gasa akore gasa mutimo ke gaga disappear. So you can imagine you mwire yako te yomu mwana wana. When there is some matter what ma so supported the gari gasa ke gasa no tamwe te gasa kotanga. Tasirete. Bono lazima take responsibility yo kuri mwanafunzi wewe. Kwa hiyo na tole ya wanafunzi yose kijana gitega tatuma bareri sabwari me mwanafunzi wa school arafu wana like 5 days time mwanafunzi wewe take kama nyara sisi ndio yuko cha school but and maybe tarea saji hostel so timetia sana yote lakini wewe rama tenga na you're supposed to cover responsible mwa ya sumu na yale. Those are some of the challenges to wait because now lazima wano very alert kama je kuna wale kimwada wanafunzi 60 wanafunzi wangu na wana wao. Correct. Kono no wata wana 60 teenager.
Yeah.
Na kioko badala. Na kibako baba ko school o lewa insta sira gati gati. Na ba ko lega sa no ko tire no mo ko mo make sure no what tire rai.
Timetinga kioko balance egasi yao ne family yao. I don't know if it's to believe.
Yeah, so in my family, I have a young family. Number one, now I make them understand legacy, because now if I create more time for them, then I don't have time in your legacy. So, ona mnabada kama nagaje, ahora enda kile karaji, na doso kile karabo. Kwa hiyo lakini na ndio wanacheka single Monday to Sunday, because Sunday total toko na naba, total kitoka. Then Monday to Saturday is normal work. So you also create time ili kwa nyara, lakini wao ndio understand una because wao kwa hiyo wanati mono na bako baniti.
Okay. Asa mtukawe simu. Ngakia simu yake 5 kurubona ngaitora kwa nyara.
I'm looking forward to establish a big organization. Intentive na Tokaresh Coast Jire Market Bottom like 2 more programs. In future actually, I'm looking forward to Angaza. So mwana so Angaza baby class. To exit Angaza and Degas. Correct. Tutora an entire like to na side to world. Tutora our own compound. To make a school. To comment abana kurunzi. Barabana wake. Bacha baso high school. Akora bayenda. Okoriga college arakwenda okorigas. Then tutora na Totore challenges yako nyarabuna abana bara ko nyarabata batina so ko munyebyego so muntu netakana wewe baba kure nini we are looking forward to a rescue center yabana baiseke ya so that bana rasu muntu ako chomenya kawa soma baka bwetenera mwana mutiga.
Okay. Mbiyabona sana so bisanganente. Mbiyabona sana mwanchi muri ere kwa bere ko bisanganente ko toga chage tumuro birega ukabona tekira mwailya no gusemerya kwanenga kwa bere gukwemanya amange wetera umugeni gwiri tukolera tumera ne chinga kindi astrabe to gusanga amange iliane Kerubo Frida.
Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.